Hello and welcome to another Engel Völkers property tour. My name is Kimberly and I am standing on the terrace of one of my favorite listings in Nueva Andalucía, and I just can't wait to show it to you. Today we are in the gated community La Alhambra, which has been bringing color to Marbella since the early 2000s. Oh, and the best point, we're only 10 minutes walking distance from the beach. We're going to explore this townhouse, which is situated on a 500 square meter corner plot. Come on, let's check it out. This big townhouse has 5 bedrooms, 5 bathrooms, and has over 400 square meter of livable surface. And don't you just love it when a house has a really cozy vibe? Look at this living room. To create a relaxed and cozy vibe, attention to detail is essential. Look at all those nice decorations that come with the house. Oh, and another nice feature, not that you will need it so much in Marbella, but a real wooden fireplace is so nice to sit in front of. Because you will be spending most of your time outdoors anyway, the living room continues on swiftly into this south-facing terrace. Alongside to the dining room, which is big enough to entertain a lot of people. Feel like you can say a lot about a house whilst walking through its kitchen. Like this one, it's grand, elegant, and also practical. A lot of cupboard space, really nice built-in appliances, and look at this grand kitchen island. It's not only stunning, but it also implements some really cool modern features. I hear you thinking, what can make this listing even better? Well, a private pool, of course, accompanied by a lovely lounge area where you can enjoy the sun throughout all of the day. Now we're on the first floor of the house. Here we have 3 bedrooms, one of which this beautiful master suite with a lot of built-in cupboard space, an elegant newly fitted bathroom, and of course this very relaxing and elegant sleeping area, which also moves on to a very nice south-oriented terrace. So when you wake up in the morning, you can go straight outside. In the basement of the house, or as we call it in Spain, the semi-sótano. In this space you can work, relax, entertain your children, and also we find here again 2 bedrooms with each their own ensuite bathrooms. From this terrace, you have a really nice view in the morning, but this is not the best view. The best part I haven't shown you yet. I honestly cannot think about a better place to end today's video tour than on this solarium, overlooking the charming roofs of La Alhambra, Nueva Andalucía's valley, and standing right next to my beloved La Concha mountain. If you also really like this property, I would like to know that. You can always leave your comment in the comment box below. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you want to see more of our lovely videos.